Back to the article, Binks says he is horrified by the reforms. I'm still shaking my head that these reforms are not properly thought through. He writes many children can ill afford to be without accident benefits coverage and may end up with no protection at all. That's assuming that the parents don't have any sort of extended health care benefits through their work or, uh, yeah, through their employment, or even possibly, I know there's not too many people who have their own private extended health care plans, but those are available as well. In his own LinkedIn post, Bezana says with these reforms, the Ontario government is making an already complicated product even harder for the consumers to understand. When critical protections become optional, the system shifts risk onto consumers, many of whom may not realize what they are giving up until it's too late. Um, when it comes to these new reforms, I have no doubt the figures presented show the potential savings to auto consumers. Bezana writes, unrealistic that everyone would opt out of coverage, sure, but that is a minor detail in a political presentation. I know the Ontario government keeps trying to reiterate that the intention of these changes is to give consumers choice. However, as a insurance broker here in Ontario, I can guarantee you, I can tell you with 100% certainty, I have never heard of a one of my clients come to me and complain that there's not enough choice under auto policy. It is always the cost, the cost, the cost, the cost. Unless there's a claims complaint, that's about number two for reasons they complain about their auto policy. But beyond that, it's the cost, the cost, the cost. And I can't imagine that people are rushing towards the Queen's Park here in Ontario to make complaints about not having enough choice on an auto policy. I'm quite sure the government was inundated with complaints about the cost of automobile insurance. So